Hi, in this video tutorial I will show you how to build a basic search functionality on the Django project. Basically we will be looking for the product's name or the description. So open the terminal. We need to make sure we are located at the perfect cushion directory. So the first thing we need to do is we're gonna start a new app, and that app name is gonna be search_app. Then press the return key, minimize the terminal and open the Sublime Text editor. Notice that on the left hand side is showing now the new app folder. Now right click on that folder and create a new folder. That folder's name is templates. Now on the perfect cushion directory, open the settings.py file and let's proceed to register our app in the installed apps. Make sure you put this after the shop app. Then let's proceed to register the templates directory. So after the bracket, put a comma and then type os.path.join and then in brackets base_dir, this is the perfect cushion directory, and then comma, single quotes, search_app, comma, templates, and then /. Save the file, close the file, and proceed to open the navbar.html template. Then on the input HTML tag, we're gonna add the name attribute, which value is gonna be Q. Okay, and then on the form tag, we are gonna add an action. At the moment, that's gonna be empty. And then, of course, we will add the get method to the form. Then we will add the cross-site request forgery token. This is in order to add a layer of protection in the search form against cross-site request forgery. Save the file and open the views.py file of the search app. The first thing we are going to do, we are going to import the product model from the shop app, and then from django.db.models we're going to import the Q call. And let's proceed to create the function. The function name is gonna be search in lowercase and then result with a capital R. And this is gonna be a request type. Then we will initiate our variable products, which is gonna be none. And then we will have a query variable, which is gonna be none. Then if Q is in the request.get, then we will assign a value to the query, which is basically coming from the request.get, and then in brackets we'll have the value Q. Okay, and then additionally the products variable is gonna be equal to the product model dot objects dot all, and then we will filter either the product name or the description. This is the reason why we are using Q, yeah, because the first condition that we're gonna apply with Q is that if the name contains the query, then it will show a result. Or if the description contains the query, it will return a result. Okay? So the final step will be to return the request on the search.html template Please keep in mind that we haven't created the search.html template yet. And then we will also render the dictionary values, in this case the query and the products, on the search.html template. Save the file, and let's proceed to create the search.html template and save the file. Extend the base.html template, load the static files, add the block meta description. I'm adding a custom one, add the block title, then add the block content. Then inside put a div, and then we're gonna add a paragraph with the text-center class and then the my search text class, which is a custom class. So open the custom.css file, and then let's declare the class and then add a padding top of 20 pixels. Save the file, close the file, and then let's proceed to add the content inside the paragraph. And then for the content, you need to put "you have searched for," and then in bold we are gonna put the query in curly brackets. This query is coming from the view that we have already created. Now open the category.html template. Make sure you copy this code. Let's proceed to paste it on the search.html template after this div, and then we're gonna add a closing div for the div with the class container. Then let's remove the .object_list. Add inside the for loop an empty tag. So if the for loop is empty, we will add a div with a class row and the mx auto class. And inside that div, we will add a paragraph with the text-center class and also the custom class that we have already created. Then let's put 0 results found as the content of the paragraph. Save the file, and let's proceed to create the urls.py file inside the search app folder and save it. Let's import the path call from Django.urls, and then we will import the views from the current directory, in this case search app. We will also declare the name of the app, which is search_app. And we will proceed to declare the URLs patterns with the path call. So inside the brackets, we're going to put 2 single quotes to declare the beginning of the URL, and then views.search result, and then we will add a name for that URL. So that name is going to be search result. Save the file, and let's open the urls.py file of the perfect question directory, and at the very bottom of the URLs pattern we will add search /, and then include. With the include call we will basically include all the URLs of the search app. Then put a comma at the end and then save the file. As we have now saved a new URL, we need to add the action value to the form of the navbar.html template. In this case, it's going to be search_app : search result. Then you need to save the file, open the terminal and start the server. Minimize the terminal, minimize the Sublime Text editor and open the browser and refresh it. So it will look for the word elephant. is showing a result. If I click on that, I can go to the product page. If I type cushion and press the button, it will show all the products. And then if I type Urban on the search bar, it's gonna show the black Urban cushion. And then let's say I want to type paw, it will show also the Paw Patrol cushion. So if I type long words like elephant cushion and then press the button, it's gonna show the elephant cushion. If I type, for example, stylish, which is a word that is in the description of the products, it's gonna show all the products, okay? But if I type something that doesn't exist, then it's gonna say you have searched for PT, 0 results found. Okay guys, I believe this is the end of this video tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next one. Goodbye.